Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Walmart Curbside Pickup. This convenient service allows you to shop for groceries and many other essentials from the comfort of your home. Simply place your order online or through the app, choose a pickup time that works for you, and a friendly associate will have everything ready. It's designed to save you valuable time and make your shopping experience much easier. To get started, simply open the Walmart app on your phone or head to their website. Browse thousands of products, from fresh produce to household goods, and add them to your virtual cart. You can even specify if you'd like substitutions for out-of-stock items. Once your cart is full, select your preferred pickup time and store location, then finalize your order with a few easy clicks. On your scheduled pickup day, you'll receive helpful notifications as your order is prepared and ready. When you arrive at the store, just follow the clear signs to the designated curbside pickup area. Park in one of the numbered spots and use the app to check in, letting the team know you've arrived. Within just a few minutes, a friendly associate will bring your entire order right to your vehicle. Walmart Curbside Pickup offers numerous benefits, primarily saving you precious time and effort. You can skip the aisles and checkout lines and have your items loaded directly into your trunk. For a smooth experience, always double-check your order before driving away to ensure everything is correct. While not mandatory, a small tip for your hardworking associate is always appreciated for their excellent service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.